Welcome students in my new tutorial based upon Adobe Photoshop, and today I'll be teaching you how to make PNG files. So what are the PNG files actually? PNG files are the transparent files. So again and again, if you want to use your image and want to change the backgrounds, so in that situation PNG files will be too handy for you. So first of all, I'll teach you how to make the PNG files. So first of all, I'll take some image. Suppose this image I'll be taking, and don't worry, I'll be providing you the link of all these images under my tutorial. So you can click on that link to download these images. So I'll just drop this image in my Adobe Photoshop and I'll place it somewhere here. So it opens like this. It's locked. So I'll just open it. Now as this is opened, because it's having the light background, so it is very easy to cut this kind of image. So I'll be using quick selection tool from here. Quick selection tool, shortcut is W, and with the help of this tool I'll be selecting. I'll use Control plus just to zoom the image, and then as my cursor is not visible, my tool is not visible, I can use caps lock key, and then I can increase with the angle brackets the size like this, and then I'll start selecting the whole image. So it's selecting very nicely. In my previous tutorials also I have taught you how to select the image. Different tools I have already taught you. You can just go back to my tutorials and go through it. But here it's very easy, and then only this part is left. So this I can select with the help of polygon lasso tool, and here already it's been subtract from selection is selected. If it is not selected in your case, you can just click upon this and then you can select this part like this, because I want to omit this part from my selection. So I hope everything is been done, and then I'll zoom out by pressing Control minus, and then I'll click on edit in quick mask mode just to see whether everything is okay or not. So it seems okay for me, and then simply I'll press Control C and Control V. You can see here two layers. So I'll off the base layer, the original layer. So I'll have an idea how it looks. So it seems okay for me. To have more clearer idea what I could do, I can take the blank layer, create a new layer. As this is a new layer, I'll just drag it down and just paste some kind of dark color. So I'll just use some dark color here. So it seems okay for me. So after having the idea, what I could do now, I'll just off this color layer, the bottom layer. Now it's looking like this. The surrounding areas are transparent. Now I have to save a file as a PNG file. So it's very simple. I'll click on file and then save as, and in save as, where it is written Photoshop, here save as type, I'll click it at the bottom, and here somewhere you will find PNG file. You could see it here, png.png. So I'll click it here, and then I'll just select my target folder where I want to save this file. Suppose I'm saving it in a new folder. I don't have any folder for my PNG files. I can right click here and create a new folder and name it as PNG files, and here I want to save it. Suppose I'm giving a new name to it, like any name it can be, and then I can click on save. It is asking file size, large file size, fastest saving. Okay, I'll select large file. It's okay now. So now my file is been saved. So now what's the advantage now? I'll just close it. I'll open some image. It could be any image. I want to have it as a background. So I'll just click on my folder where I have the backgrounds. Suppose this image I want to take, okay, or maybe this image. I'll simply drag it in my Adobe Photoshop. It's opened. I'll just unlock it. All this process I have already taught you in my previous tutorials. Now I want to insert my PNG file. Now you will see the advantage. I'll directly drag it and simply leave it here in the middle somewhere and click on tick. Because this is a PNG file, it's transparent. Again and again I have not to do the hard work, and you could see I have saved my time, and simply I can place it anywhere according to my need, and then it could do plenty of work for me. For different images you can make your images as ping files, and it's very easy for you to change the backgrounds. Then now simply I'll select the bottom layer, and then simple blur I could do. I've already taught you. Let's see this time. Okay, Gaussian blur, this I've already taught you. So this seems okay for me, 1.8, and click on OK. So I hope it's very much clear how to make a PNG file and how to use it. So with this, I'm closing my tutorial. If you feel my explanation is good and you can easily understand, then please like, share and comment, and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed it earlier. Okay, take care. Bye bye. Meet you soon with the new tutorial.